Make sure to visit once and try it out for yourself. To make this circuit, a BC547 transistor has been used, and I have used 5 transistors in it. I have installed them. Now let's start placing the components on the PCB. Everything is clearly printed on the PCB itself. Just follow the layout markings and you'll know exactly where each component goes and in which direction it should be installed. For this project, I've used 5 resistors. Each one is 1 k ohm with a 1/4 watt. These resistors are small but play an important role in current control, so make sure they are firmly soldered in the right spots. Once the resistors are in place, we'll move on to the LED section. I've used 5 colorful LEDs here to give the project a vibrant and interactive look. These LEDs not only enhance the appearance, but also indicate the circuit's working status. Let's quickly mount them on the PCB and complete this part of the build. I quickly fixed all the LEDs in their proper positions on the board. This part is pretty simple if you place everything carefully. After that, I took a 5-volt buzzer and placed it in its designated spot. Next, I used a small wire connector to organize the wiring neatly. This not only keeps the circuit clean, but also helps in easy testing and replacement in the future. Once all the components were placed properly, I moved on to the soldering process. I carefully soldered all the joints to make sure the connections are strong and there's no risk of short circuits. Now we need to complete the connections for the water level indicator, WU, which are located at the bottom side of the board. Once all the connections are properly done, the indicator will give a signal as soon as the water inside the tank touches the sensor wires. For this purpose, I've used 6 jumper wires. Each wire will act as a sensor at a different water level point inside the tank. These wires will detect the water and send the signal to the circuit to activate the indicator. So let's go ahead and carefully place and connect each jumper wire into the circuit one by one, making sure the connections are secure and properly positioned for accurate detection. So friends, I have now connected all the jumper wires properly to the circuit. Each wire is neatly placed just below its corresponding LED, allowing us to monitor every water level stage clearly. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care, stay creative, and subscribe my channel.